Hello everyone. I'm going to introduce you a brief summary of the presentation of the next Tuesday during PhillyTalent event. During this presentation, I'm going to talk about my path to win my first Kaggle, medal and how I become a Kaggle expert. First of all, who am I? I'm going to present you myself and my academic background. Then I'm going to present Kaggle. What is Kaggle and how important is Kaggle to data scientists, and especially why you should join it. After that, I'm going to talk about the types of Kaggle's competition, like the tabular data competition, some computer vision competitions, and of course NLP competition, and some other types of competitions like optimization problem and other types. Yes. After that, it will be a small story about how I discovered Kaggle and what I did to join my first Kaggle competition. And here is my first Kaggle competition, which is predict future sales. I'm going to talk about the data and the evaluation metric, and of course how I did and the techniques I used to join the top 5% leaderboard. And here is my best competition, which is centered under customer transaction prediction. And I'm going to talk about the importance of the discussions and the kernels and how we should use them to discover the magic features in any competition and join the top leaderboard. Then after that, we're going to talk about Fast AI, which is an amazing and marvelous library built on the top of PyTorch, and you should know it at least and use it at least, in your first deep learning competition. And here are IMET and iFashion competition, which are two competitions that allowed me to win 2 silver medals in less of 2 weeks. And finally, there is a conclusion and Q&A slide to answer to your questions. So thank you and see you on Tuesday.